Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Government seals IBEDC offices over non-payment of 400 million naira tax. The Oyo State government on Wednesday sealed the Ibadan Electricity Distribution Company IBEDC offices in Ibadan over non-payment of over 400 million naira tax. Tax evasion in Nigeria is punishable under Section 40 of Federal Inland Revenue Services Act. Evasion of tax is one of the problems plaguing the economic growth and development in Nigeria. It involves intentional misrepresentation of one's true financial status to the tax authorities so as to reduce his or her tax liability. When organizations avoid and evade tax, the country becomes cash-strapped and restrained from carrying out what is expected of it for the benefit of its citizens. Then the need to borrow huge sum of money from other big nations to provide amenities, among other things, will arise.